This what he pulled up in. Man, I got Mr. Done by D in the house. You got dash cam too? Ooh, that's hard. I ain't gonna lie. You getting real technical on people now, man. Is this like a push?
See that, how this push button.
That's put. I ain't never even seen that in the old school before. That's different. I'm looking for the shifter knob and everything. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, today is going to be a little bit different of a video. I know you guys hear the vroom vroom in the background, but that just leads us into our new segment, man. Harleys and hot rods, man. I'm here at my boy Done by D shop, man. Y'all know it's time to build another old school. Y'all know what time it is, man. Like I said, I just pulled up to Done by D shop, and it's about time to get another old school in the works, man. So y'all know he did our El Camino for us, and he did our Monte Carlo for us with the LSA, man. So what better way to restart up our old school series than to get another old school and have my boy Done by D get cracking. Now y'all know this is like the farmland, the homeland of all the Chevelles, Impalas, 96s, the Bookham Mobile, you know, the all about the Benjamins Impala, man. This is literally the hometown, man. This is where it all comes from right here, man. We in Houston, Texas. We about to get this show on the road, man. Let's check this place out and see what he got on his hands right now, man, because every time I come over here, it's literally car after old school after old school, man, and every car got something different going on, man. So I can't wait to show you guys what you can do to these cars and where we at right now on some of these projects, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Let's go check it out and see what's up. All right, man, Done by D just pulled up, man, and I missed the whole freaking pull up, man, but this what he pulled up in. The Ooz&Ahz on it. Like the yellow in the back, big wheelwood brakes, top down. Top down with the Ooz&Ahz, man. Top down with the Ooz&Ahz. Of course, interior looking flawless. Nice leather seats with the SS in them things, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Them things looking real nice and subtle today. Man, I got Mr. Done by D in the house.
Hey, what's up, Lil?
What's up, man? How you doing? Another day in paradise.
Yes, sir.
Another day. What's up with you, man?
Good,
how you doing?
I'm cool.
Man, y'all got them joints out today, man. What year is this one right here? 1970. Got the I see you got the Buick center cap, so it gotta be a Buick, man. You know, I don't know the old school cars like that. You know, I'm still new school, man.
Oldsmobile, man.
Oldsmobile. I was close.
Yeah, you close.
I was close. Got the Oldsmobile with the wheelwood on here. I told you this is like the land of the old schools, man. Oldsmobile with the Ooz on it. What is these, 24s?
Yeah, them 24s.
Yeah, man, he said get your ruler out, man. Get your ruler out, okay. Oh, and the interior is done. Ooh, I like that. It look clean in here. You know, typical, most like old schools, they be like all over the place, man.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, that interior cold. Yeah, that interior cold. Let's see what we got in here real quick, man. That thing cold. And the wheels match the steering wheel. I can dig that. That's pretty fresh. Let's check him out. Oh yeah, all digital dash. Yeah, everything in there super clean. I ain't gonna hold you. AC and all that work, man?
Yeah. We vintage, you know.
Yeah. What is this, like you don't even got a regular gear shifter. Is this like a push?
Nah, you see that, how this push button.
I ain't never even seen that in the old school before. That's different. I'm looking for the shifter knob and everything.
Nah, we push button.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's hard. I mess with that. I ain't gonna lie, this thing clean. And it got the sunroof. What is that, suede tops?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man, you doing it up, man. I like this one. What is these, 15s or 12s?
12.
I ain't gonna lie, you did it, babe. It look real clean, man.
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all see what's going on? Dedication. Man, how long it take you to build this car, man?
2 years, man.
2 years?
Full frame out.
Full frame off, man.
Full frame out.
Yeah, man, let me see what you got up under here, man. 2 years worth of parts and all that, man. It finally came together. Now it looked black, but is it like, it looked like a green too, though?
Yeah, it's an emerald green.
Emerald green. Okay, yeah, them clouds out today, y'all.
I ain't know the Glens was gonna be outside. This bitch dirty.
Oh, it's all good. It's still looking clean, man. I can't call it. Okay. So what we got up in here? LS.
Yeah, LS. Everything in the inside of the engine touch. You know,
with the Ooz and the Ahz. I seen y'all pulling up right now, man. I didn't get to get the pull up, man. But when you pull off, I'm sure I'm gonna get that one, man. Y'all see what's going on. The whole thing is touched from top to bottom. He said frame off. To get it like this is gonna take you a couple years, man. Yeah. Is it for sale, man, or what?
Nah, this can't never go nowhere.
He said it can't go nowhere, man.
It's a lot of sentimental to it. So
right. Yeah, no, it's all good, man. It's clean though. You did it, that's for sure. Yeah. That interior is everything. That push gear shifter or whatever. That's different.
We got some extra shit in here too. A lot of people, I'm gonna put them on game.
Yeah.
So we got the original backup camera come with the radio, but we also got some. We also got some extra feet. That's the regular backup camera.
Oh snap! You got the backup camera. Look, go to the backup camera and hold this on the thing so they can see me, man, because they don't believe it, man. Yes, sir, man. We got the backup camera, and you see what's going on? Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, and outside the backup camera.
That's hard.
You can hit them with the dash.
You got dash cam too?
Yes, sir.
Ooh, that's hard. I ain't gonna lie, man. You getting real technical on people now, man. See, I ain't even peeped that.
Man, that's DVR recording.
It might as well be a Tesla at this point, man.
Something like that. and we on the back side too. That's the back.
That's hard. Oh, damn. This got 360 view. I ain't gonna hold you, man. That's a whole different level right there, man. I ain't gonna even hold you down. Typically, I'm not surprised by old schools, but I'm actually surprised by this one. This one got some tips and tricks I like, man.
Yeah, yes, sir. And you know, it's fileless. We recording it, continuous recording, backup, incidents, all that shit.
Oh, yeah. Come touch it if you want to, man.
Yeah, everything recorded.
Oh, yeah. That's cool, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, yeah. So you can get you and the homies just slide. You ain't even gotta pull your phone out no more. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing did it, man. See, the motor and all that is clean, but I think where you got them at is with the whole technology. I ain't never seen one like that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the 1970 Oldsmobile with the Ooz and the Ahz on it, man. Big brake kit, everything touched head to toe. I ain't gonna lie, how often you bring this car out, man?
Man, I probably drive this car every day. People
don't
probably won't realize it might be a short run.
Yeah.
Go from where is it to the gas station.
Right. You got to get in it every day though. Yeah.
I might miss a day or two at least 3-4 times a week.
Right. Yeah.
I'm
man.
finna go to work right now. I just pulled up on D. I'm finna go put it back up and go to work.
Go to work.
That's a little
daily
short
driver, man. Got it in and got it out. I ain't gonna hold you. That thing's sitting crazy. Yeah, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, you got the sequential lights on there.
Yeah, got 10 patterns.
Okay. Hey man, this ain't the regular one, man. Y'all know we on everything regular channel, but this ain't the regular one. I'm telling you. Man, can we hear it start up, man? You know, I missed that part when y'all pulled up, man. Let's see, he got the push start.
Yeah, we push.
Ew. With the Ooz and the Ahz on it. With the Ooz and the Ahz, like I said, he got the sequential. Got the big motor up under that thing. Like I said, everything is looking clean, man. I ain't gonna hold you. You did it with this one. You did it with this one. All the lights work and everything. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's what I like, man. This thing is hard. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is clean. He nice, man. Y'all want to come get right? Y'all come to Done by D. This where all the home of the old schools is, man. Y'all want to check out more of this car, man. Y'all know where to go follow. This your Instagram?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Y'all know who to go follow, man. Y'all want to know more about the car and how to get it to this point.
Yeah, the whole build on there.
Yeah. We ain't seen that. What with the roof that pop up? Y'all see what's going on, man. I ain't gonna lie. You got the best of both worlds. Got the best of both worlds, man. You did that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the old school, man. You ain't even got to touch nothing. See, when you get out the car and you just turn it off and you forget to do your roof, it's going to go back automatically, man.
Rain sensor too.
You said it got rain sensors?
Yeah, rain sensor.
Oh, so the windows will roll up and all that, damn near?
I'm trying to tie the roof to the window so when the
When the roof go, yeah.
But the windows do go. I ain't got none of it hooked.
Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty confident you gonna figure it out, man. After I done seen the whole 360 view, all the little cameras and everything, I'm pretty sure you gonna figure it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it going.
So what else? I'm pretty sure it's done, but is there anything else that you would do to it or want to do to it?
Oh yeah. It's a whole lot more I want to do to
Yeah.
it. Nah, it's far from done. So man, I got some stuff coming out. I'm finna.
Okay, well we gonna wait for the return, man. Y'all got a quick little glimpse right now, man.
Yeah, this is just a quick turnaround because you know you get that urge to want to drive. So I've been working on it for 2 years.
Right.
Like fuck it, I just want to get it rolling. Now
Right.
it's time to perfect.
Yeah, now you got to put your little Ooz&Ahz on it now.
A lot more Ooz&Ahz.
Man, come on, man. Y'all see what's going on? My guy out here going up, and he pulled up at Done by D, so you know it's done right, man. Yeah, man. He got it from start to finish, man, and this is a hell of a finish, man. So if y'all like it, man, make sure y'all give your boy a thumbs up. We gonna check out some more cars and see what else they got up in this joint, man. I hear him now. He got them oohs and them ahs. Ew, he's sliding that thing. Sheesh. Yeah, it look good, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, he nice. He nice. There we go. That motherfucker hard. Ooh. He's sitting clean, that's for sure. Don't lie. She running good, sounding good. Got the oohs and the ahs. That's for sure.